Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use SaleHoo. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will be needing just to go to the salehoo.com website. And after that, you will be needing to start creating your account. And to do so, either you can go to start your journey today or you can simply click on get started now. So basically, we will be needing just to start creating our account, and from here you will choose your plan. Either you can have SaleHoo Educate, SaleHoo Market Insights, Dropship, etc. So we are interested in dropshipping, and then we can simply click on get the basic plan, and from there you can start creating your account. Now that we have created an account, so we will be needing just to add our email, and then let's just add the email. And now we click on create account so we can have our account on uh, on it. So I'm just going to click this. And basically here you will be needing just to add your uh, checkout information, like the billing information, like your card number, etc. And then agree all to all the payment terms, etc. And you will be able to start using uh, Selhu. And basically, after creating your account, you will be able to start using the several or different features of SaleHoo. And basically here, we can just go to this article or the sports article so we can understand exactly how you can use it on dropshipping. So here you will find all the several things that you need, and simply we can go, for example, how to calculate, optimize inventory, etc., and learn dropshipping on SaleHoo. And as we can see, we can find exactly how you can start using SaleHoo and where you can get the products to sell. For example, you will be needing to search for a provider, and then you can get your supplier, and you can also set up your online store on SaleHoo so you can start adding this product. And if we go here, we will be able to see like where you can go. So simply you will be needing just to go to the platform, and from there you can start like creating your store so you can get or so you can sell your products or the supplied product. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.